The following is the latest technical analysis in crypto news from Amassers.com.
Hi guys, before I get this party started off right, I want to remind you all that the following is not financial advice. It is for educational and entertainment purposes only.
Tired of missing the crypto boom? With Amassers.com's powerful crypto screener, you can catch coins pumping early in a new cycle. At Amassers, we spot trends and seize opportunities before the masses. When fear grips the market and prices plummet, our screener uncovers oversold gems using the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Buy low, sell high, and turn panic into profit. Combine it all with our new partnership with the world's best cryptocurrency aggregator SwapSpace, and you have convenient, easy access to the best real-time prices from 43 exchanges offering 3,500 plus coins. Founded by trading pros with 25 plus years of expertise, Amassers delivers proprietary tools, strategies, and education to supercharge your trades. Join the winners at Amassers.com today. Your edge in crypto awaits. Sign up free now.
Okay, let's just dive right in. We're right here on Big Daddy Bitcoin, and I want to talk about what went on this week. As usual, I have my little gray lines here. I call this my market maker zone. I put these out every week, if I can remember, on my Twitter at Trader Alfred. And this is annoying to me, so let's just fix it. That belongs there. Okay, and this belongs there. Okay, now week starts off, we just start trending upward. Middle of the week, break out of that market maker box, my market maker zone that I set up here, and that breakout's real. It continued on into the weekend. We got a little pullback. Now this week it was all about break. It's all about the story. I would say this is all about break, but really you get here to the top of the box, what do you have? Major sell-off. Then you break the box. You break the box with authority. Now I don't have any volume on my chart, but I can almost assure you that this candle right here had a lot of volume to it. And when you see those breaks with the volume, then usually we'll continue on in that direction. And that's what happened with Bitcoin this week. We're still at 115. We are moving into a place where the market maker is finding support at this area, and that means pricing is going higher in preparation for what everyone is looking for next week and the Fed. That's all I really have to say about that. Let's take a look at our crypto screener, and I've got a new feature that I want to show you guys on our Forex Screener. Okay, I'm here at our Forex Screener at Amassers, and I want to show you guys something that we added just this week. And I added this because someone had mentioned, well, how do you keep track of what's going on? Like I'll sometimes say in these videos, they're buying X, selling Y. Okay, so we just simplified it by making it where you can mouse over and you can see right here that they're buying silver and they're selling the USD. You can see right here they're buying the euro, selling the Japanese yen. So if that's confusing to anyone, that's why we put these mouse overs here. So it's not just a matter of trying to remember the pairs and interpretations. It's just easier to just mouse over and you'll see it. And as usual, you see this effort here moving into commodities like gold and silver. You can tell that this is a long time effort because over here on the pumps for 30 days, we see we're more than 100% here. We see 92% there. And That means if you took a scale 1 to 100 from the prior 30 days, that's where we are on that scale. That's where we're positioned. You can also see that we're over here in Aussie land. They're selling the Australian dollar and they're buying USD. And same thing with New Zealand dollar. There's usually a heavy correlation in that region, and really you can tell that overall we've honestly obviously been doing the opposite because you can see right here we're at 92 on the 30-day pump. So what's mostly been happening is that guys have been buying the Australian dollar and selling the US dollar, joining in to de-dollarization. That's all I got to say about our Forex Screener. Don't forget, guys, when this thing is really cooking, either in Forex or crypto, I like to come here and click and save a snapshot of those days so that I can see some trends that may be forming early. Okay, I'm over here on our crypto screener. This is a snap that I saved earlier. I like to save the snaps obviously using this button right here, and I like to save these HTML snaps so that I can look back at times when there was a lot of volatility and something going on in the market. You can see that our breath was 15 to 1 on today, and we saw some nice action on Ethereum, Immutable X, really good action on Dogecoin. I think guys are anticipating a possibility of a Doge ETF, Ethereum ETF starting to cook, but they're really kind of just going back and forth. Saw some nice action on Bitcoin, and obviously saw some nice action here. Bitcoin. We saw some nice action here on Binance Coin, and we saw some nice action here on Solana as well. Of course, Pepe, that meme coin, is in there, but it is on the Solana blockchain. And the way you can check this is come over here and look at our Clarity engine and let the AI tell you, based on these numbers, who's the daddy here, Solana or Pepe. And that's real easy to see with 26 versus 5. Okay, that's all I have for this week, guys. And lots of nice action to the upside, not just in Bitcoin, but also in crypto in general. Let's see what happens on next week with the Fed. Once again, this is Alfred for Amassers.com. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If we've helped you, please help us by sharing this content with others.